Help the mind to install helpful programs that create feelings of support and love while you are sleeping. 7-minute challenge for 7 nights. My thoughts and words have rich, prospering power. Breathe. Isn't it wonderful my good words are charged with power that prosper me now? Just breathe. My words always enrich and expand my world. Just breathe. Every day in every way, things are getting better and better through the strength that empowers me now. Just breathe. Take a deep breath and hold. Close your eyes. Relax your hands. Breathe out slowly. Open your eyes. Just breathe. I only have power to receive and give positive words. Just breathe. I give thanks that the power above is ever renewing my mind and body. Command statements are not statements from desperation. They are just command statements of what will happen. Just breathe. I have decided my rich faith now frees me from all limitations. That's right. Just breathe and have peace. I give thanks nothing can oppose my ultimate good or my radiant health. Breathe. My joyful heart is my good medicine. It cures, heals, and restores me continuously and quickly. Just breathe. I am now deliberately, joyously radiating divine love to myself and my world and to all mankind. Just breathe. Everything and just breathe. Peace. I prosper everything and everyone now. Just breathe. My health, strength, energy, and stamina is ever increasing. Just breathe. For I am convinced that nothing can take my ultimate good or my radiant health. Just breathe. I give thanks that I am beautifully and appropriately clothed, housed, transported, and fed. Of course, I am capable and able in all things. Just breathe. Now relax. this is the end of your prep section. It is completed. When you get into bed this evening or take a nap, say these words: all is well for me and all is well for others. You will breathe afterwards and say those words till you fall asleep. All is well and good for me and all others. Breathe. Now, if you want to know why this particular technique and method is extremely fast and works very well, you can click at the end of this video and it will provide you all the information that you need to know about how to use command statements while you are sleeping. Those command statements is what the subconscious is using for you while you're sleeping. Take a few minutes and just chill out here with me now. Live well.